What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1968 C10 pickup truck. It's a fairly nice truck, 350 motor up under the hood. Some of the AC components are there, but it's not hooked up and working properly right now. It's still going to need some stuff to get that done. This one does have front disc brakes. We just got back from the test drive, and I mean, it runs and drives great. I want you to check that video out. You can do that with any of our cars up here, so definitely check out maplemotors.com to see a list of all of our inventory. You can get financing and shipping information on there, as well as 100 detailed pictures. Also hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. We also made a music page called Southgate Production. If you like the intro music, that was me and my band, so slide on over to that page. We're gonna start up here in the front. They've already put a nice new chrome bumper on the front of this car, or this truck. Headlight bezels have been replaced as well, and the grille is in pretty good shape. A lot of these little trim pieces they've replaced as well. Looks like fairly new paint on this truck. We'll be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video. It's got a lot of tint all the way around on all the windows. Big strip in the front window. Let me check in the doors for any chips, scratches, or rust. Looking down the bottoms of the doors here. There's a little chip back here. Y'all can see that. I zoomed in on it. Little light scratch up top here. Rusty handle on the tailgate. Almost said trunk. Done so many cars here this week. Looks like they've done the bed liner as well. They even put a mat in here. It's got a chip in it though. Let's see here. Rear bumper's been replaced as well. Got dual exhaust out the back. We'll be giving you some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. This truck is in great condition. I'd change out the old gas cap. Get a nice chrome one, maybe get some new door handles. Get some pitting on them. Couple little chips right up here. There's a crack down here behind the fender. All right, we made it around the truck here. We're gonna check out the interior now and get her started up. Pretty nice bench seat. Trim's kind of hanging a little bit here in the middle. Aftermarket steering wheel. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think that horn works? They replaced the carpet with the mat, which I like better. Personal opinion there, I guess. Little bubbles popping up in the corner of the door there. And this corner. Let's go ahead and jump in here and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. Oil pressure's coming up, engine temps up. Battery gauge is working over here. Wipers are working. It's showing 71,000 miles. It's hard to stand behind mileage on these vehicles. Gas gauge is working as well. We do have the face to the radio in the office. These switches used to be for air ride. That's not on this vehicle anymore. Motor's nice and quiet on this one. Really clean up under the hood. Got the chrome fenders, power steering, brakes. But like I said, the AC stuff's almost finished. You gotta have everything else to hook it up, but go ahead and shut the hood down now. Hood comes down nice and easy. I did notice it doesn't quite line up as well. It's latched there. As you see, it's sitting a little high on some edges. We'll push everything down. It's probably gonna need to be readjusted. See, it's just sitting high on these edges and stuff. Have to mess with it a little while, get it straight. All right, we're gonna do some undercarriage shots now. I'm gonna start up here in the front, go around to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger. And we'll conclude this video. I also have 100 detailed pictures on my website. You can see the undercarriage there as well. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for those detailed pictures, the financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. We do post all of our inventory on there every Monday with updates. Hit that subscribe button for more detailed videos like this, test drives, going down the road. We got a ton of them on here. Like I said in the beginning, if you like the music at the beginning of the video, we write that. I write that at the house. I got a band. We hang out, we jam, and I decided to make a channel for that too. So if you like it, I appreciate it. Go subscribe. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.